Friends, that's America. Kinda pretty, ain't it?
Welcome back to me. Garage. I've been a little bit out of the loop, so I'm dropping in to see what's going on with Shitcar. Soupy.
What up, man?
Mr. Shitcar himself. Is that what you envisioned your life turning into?
It's no longer a shit car. Now it's sick car.
SICKCAR?
Because you know why it's no longer shit car?
Why? Oh, because you touched it.
That's right.
It should be shittier car.
What the?
Yo, I gotta say though, I like the black interior.
You like that?
I mean, it's probably gonna be hot as hell since it's a desert car, but it looks good though.
You like the beats?
Oh.
Yeah, we got beats.
Oh, speakers on speakers. I like you got them going both directions to let people know, you know.
Yeah, you got it.
But is this the spare tire rack?
The spare tire rack is gone.
I'm actually feeling the black interior. I never thought I'd want a black interior vehicle. Is this it?
No, man. You're missing the snorkel. We had to take it off to paint the rack.
Oh my
We got
goodness.
the overfender. As soon as I'm done with this, we got to put the overfenders on.
Wait, we got front overs? Okay, all
I
right.
got to do this in a minute.
All right, looks like it's gonna fit terrible, but that's okay. Since we got new fenders.
We got new fenders. We got lights.
I missed a lot.
You missed a lot, man. You got to be coming back.
Dang, SICKCAR? Yo, I'm excited to see the new livery and everything.
Yeah. John Chase is going to be here in a little bit, so he's going to...
Okay. I'm not gonna stay here too long because I don't want to get caught up in your bullshit. So see you, buddy.
Perfect. Shit.
Hey, John Chase. Let's fast forward. Hey, what's up, dude?
Not much.
You doing livery stuff?
Yeah.
Sick. Looks like those new shirts we got. Oh, those are dope.
This is what it's supposed to look like when it's all done.
Damn. All right then.
Hey guys!
What up, dude?
What you guys?
What's up, man?
Looks so much nicer. Are these the wheels going on?
Yeah, dude.
1552s. Some Falcon Wild Peaks. I can't talk because I just came from the dentist. Got a little numb on this side.
Is this real life?
What's the guy got to do to get these tire bags? Hurry up! Put these wheels on this car. I'm taking this. Dude, that's sick. It fits two?
It fits two in there. And those are big.
These are big.
So
Dude, that's sick.
the best part is when you're done, you don't dirty up the inside of your car, you know, trying to...
That's what those are for?
Yeah.
That's sick.
We had them. I don't know why you guys don't use them.
Well, you see, you got a truck, but well, I guess the Blazer now. You don't want to screw up the Blazer. You can't screw up the inside of the Blazer.
fresh interior.
Can't screw up the Blazer. For real, how do I get these?
Okay.
Looks like John has done this before. Looks like he's done a couple walls.
Nah. Bedtime.
Well, it doesn't look bad from like,
It's a 50 footer. 50 footer, yeah.
like, about. It's not bad from
It's a 50 footer.
It's not bad from right here.
We're gonna keep the red, white, and blue theme going. And then we're gonna send Zach off into outer space.
Hell yeah.
Yo, I gotta say, like, if you come back like this far and you squint your eyes and like put your hand in front of it, it looks really good.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, right? Right? Like squint it. You're like, damn, that's fresh.
Oh, nice.
I słuchaj, dla moich wszystkich polskich kolegów w Ameryce, w Polsce, w Europie, gdziekolwiek wy jesteście, my mamy naklejki specjalne tylko dzisiaj dla was. Piątek 13. To nie jest prawdziwa naklejka. Ale kupcie $10 albo więcej na naszym sklepie i dostańcie naklejki od nas.
Holy crap, this thing came out sick. I'm super pumped. A little bummed that I wasn't here to help make this thing come to fruition, but goddamn! Little push bar, the pre-runner plate, it's got headlights. You got the KCs up there. You got the old Brian and Vinny special K&N. Oh God, even interior painted. I don't know, we're gonna have to go thrash this thing in the desert, maybe take some side-by-sides out.
Oh, pinky's up.
You been working hard?
Hang on, you guys.
Harder than you. Sorry, I saw you.
You did not see that intake. You did not see that intake.
Just for those who are new around here, this is just the old intake that was on the car, and they just threw it back on the car.
Yay!
Well, let's destroy this thing already.
I'm stoked to take this thing to the desert, though.
Yeah, I haven't driven an off-road trim, so.
But you know what? We'll also bring a new Razor out, so it'll be like we'll have the Cush
We
whip.
have a new toy?
Yeah, we got a new toy.
Is it here? Can we?
It's here. So we want to go take this thing out to the desert to go test it, but we know it's going to break in like 5 minutes. So we actually got a new Polaris, a new Razor. This thing is super sick. Comes with Fox shocks, turbo.
It's got electric suspension.
No way.
Firm, sport, or comfort mode.
What are you gonna run it on? It's got navigation? What is that screen?
Turn the key. Turn the key.
What? It has a friggin' backup camera.
Wait, is it in reverse?
I don't know. I had the quick thought that I was like, Kurt is going to goose this thing in reverse. It's going to run over both of our feet and the and knock down the car we're under. We'll get into this more later when we actually take it out to the desert. God damn, look at the back lights. What?
LED bar.
I'm actually more excited to drive that than I am to drive shitcar.
Imagine driving it with the cactus and the cup holder.
Hopefully, living on, not a
This car will end up in the Peterson someday.
Dude, that would be sick. Imagine if you came to see this in the Peterson.
What you thought I was gonna pull out the black card and let you guys all see that number? Damn. Anyway, I'm over bored of that.
Oh my God.
Cactus Cooler, if you're watching this, you should sponsor us. So that's just a good old cross thread. Get that nice and tight. Boom, we have a shift mount.
Hey, did you guys notice what we did to the seats? We put the corresponding colors with the corresponding seats, so now they just look like clean seats.
Instead of them being like
clown
weird
seats.
Clown seats. Nice job, nice job. You cleaned the place up.
The car is done. I don't even know what to call it because it's not shitty anymore.
It's SICKCAR.
It's SICKCAR. First things first, we gotta send it. Where's our stuntman?
There he is. Stuntman Zach.
You know what?
You look, if anyone, you look ready. If anyone looks like they're ready to jump a car, it's you, man.
This is the first time that Hoonigan now has safety denim. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
Look at that.
Boy. In a fire.
Exactly.
Not actually promised to save anyone in a fire, but we just tell Zach that. Anyway, put your helmet on, Zach.
All right.
Look at this ramp, though. Oh my God, this ramp is so destroyed. Look at this thing. Yeah, that ramp is wrecked. How are we still using that?
I think it's gonna go good. I think it's gonna go good. Yeah. What are your predictions?
It's gonna go great.
It's gonna nosedive, but it'll go great.
Only prediction here is gonna be driver error, and I could see Zach doing like 100 at it and jumping onto the 710. But if he just chills it, I think it's gonna do great.
Just in case it doesn't, we set that tire up for him to crash.
Stuff right here. Film this.
Oh, goodness.
Next 3 are lights then. Yes! Yo, this thing ripped!
Yeah. You're missing a control arm.
Oh.
And it's already broken.
What do you mean?
Oh, we can fix it.
You're fine.
You're fine.
No, it's stopped. It's fine.
Woo!
Dude, like, this is probably the length of the car. So from here to there, at the very back of the car, that's where the front hit.
36 feet?
36 feet from the
Do we have a
front.
tape? Do we actually tape it out?
We should measure the length of the car from here. That was ridiculous.
Oh my God.
Look at the pile driver. Full through.
That's this
man.
right here. That's the front, the skid plate.
Yo, it held together though, somewhat. All right, guys, so as these guys measure this, remember next week we are going back to 621 Golden. Hope you guys enjoyed 2 full weeks of Shit Week, which is now SICKCAR, right? I don't know, I think it's SICKCAR now. Pretty damn sick.
So total from the rear wheels hitting the ground would be 23 feet.
It's not bad.
One thing I gotta say, surprisingly comfortable. Not gonna lie, it was very...
You're a fan of K-Sport and Wisefab. They did a good job.
I mean, it works. I think some of the body work and like stock BMW parts didn't hold up, but everything else, perfect.
And your hair still looks great after wearing a helmet. Job well done, sir.
Thank you.
This man right here, he does not hold anything back. You do this.
Blake Wilkie once told me, you gotta hit it.